Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to give you the detailed explanation about how to strike the text in a cell. For example, I created this sample for you. Let me make it a little bigger. So these are the tasks I have. Let me just put some tasks there. Okay. I have concept, design, development, implementation, and maintenance. These are some sample tasks and these are person in charge. John, Ron, Mac, Lag, Lynn. Then we have dates. And you got some confirmation from someone. For example, John is not available and he will be available from 1st of maybe like 15th of Jan. So you want to start this particular activity from 15th of Jan and also want to keep the history what was the days previously. So for example, let me just I will cross it. I want to strike it out. It was I will press Control 5, so it is striked out. And I can write a, for example, as John is not available, start date changed. Okay, so this is the remarks I have read, and let me put a date also here. For example, I did it on the maybe 28th of December. So this is the history I have, right? Now again you have the new date, so you will press Alt plus Enter. So you have new date here, and let's say new date is 15th of Jan 2018. But this is also strike because the strike option is applied on the cell. So now what you need to do, select this and again press Control 5, not F5, it is Control 5. This is one method. This is one method to maintain history and strike or non-strike the text. Another method is, for example, let me just go back again as it was. I'll right click here. It was like this. I'll right click here, go to format cell. Okay, this is format cell. I'm talking about the Windows keyboard, MS Excel in Windows. So this is format cell, and there you have multiple tabs like number, alignment, fonts, border, fill, protection, etc. So I'll go to font and I will say strike through. Okay, so it will be strike, and I can write again 15 Jan 2018. But again you need to go back to format cell and disable this. This is one second option, but you can also do for best practices. First you enter new date, for example 15 of Jan 2018, and then strike first one, Control 5. This is the best practice, and you have record available that you have changed to 15 Jan. So this is this is the best way to maintain history in Excel against your plan. Let the plan be any bigger, and this is very important when you are maintaining some kind of tracker and it want to ensure that what it was, why it was changed, and you want to dig down on if some issue happens. You can use text strike through instead of maintaining multiple versions of single document. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to my channel and get these kind of tips and tricks almost every day. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.